So you might be in a random situation where for some reason Slack and Slack messages are not sending. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, maybe you're inside of a Slack channel or Slack chat of some sort, and you're trying to send out messages, but none of the messages are sending. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend kind of doing is to go through and to make sure that you have some sort of cell signal or Wi Fi connection or something like that. A lot of the times you might not have any sort of cell connection or cell signal or anything, and that can be one of the main problems you might be having. So go through, double check your Wi Fi connection, double check your cell connection, everything like that, and you want to make sure those things aren't the problem. Because a lot of the times that might be the problem, and that is kind of the first thing I'd recommend thinking about. Now, if those things are fine and those things don't seem to be the issues, the next thing I'd recommend thinking about is to go through and just make sure that within Slack, your Slack channel or your Slack, whatever you have permissions to chat. If you don't have permissions to chat, that can be another thing. You might also want to just go through and try updating your Slack application or Slack, app. So if you're on your PC, if you're on your iPhone or Android, try going inside of your app store and try updating the Slack application. That can also help kind of fix this problem. And if none of those things are working, you might have to go through and just double check and just see if there's an issue with, one of these things. So if you go to downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of those types of websites, that will basically show you what's up and what's down. And you can try seeing exactly what's going on here. And I'd recommend seeing if Slack is on here, then just waiting it out and waiting until they fix it. So in terms of that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.